Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montague County in north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just north of Nacona, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nacona Lake, Spanish Fort, and Illinois Bend. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. If on or near Nacona Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats.